Let's go. Why, hello there. So first of all, you might be wondering why I'm wearing this around my neck. The answer is, I've got little burnt blister things about there, and I mean, yeah, I'm just being cool, super cool. And but yeah, so we've been resting a lot in Gdansk, and we've also actually been a little poorly because there was some mould in his room, as I mentioned several times, although we did get in touch with her and she's going to move his rooms today. I should have got in touch with her sooner, but we're a bit scared to be honest. And but we've rested up, we sort of washed his clothes, charged his shit, and now we've had a rest. What we're going to do, so we've been around Gdansk a bit, this beautiful, I know I keep saying beautiful, I'll expand my vocabulary soon, I promise. And but what we're doing today, we're going to get a boat up to Sopot, and then we're going to get from Sopot to Gdynia. And so that's the so Gdansk is part of a tri-city, and they're the three cities that form the tri-city, because they're all parts of... Yeah, it's like 5 towns, but in Poland. But yeah, like Gdansk is part of Baltic Sea, Sopot another, and so on. They're all part of like crossing to different territories and stuff. It's cool. Oh, this is also where amber first came from, so there's shit tons of amber stores. I think amber's really cool considering it's fossilised tree sap, but there we are. But we're not going to get in this. Obviously we're carrying everything everywhere, but we're going to start at the top tri-city, Gdynia, and we're going to walk along there, because this is pretty much only sunny day. It's been quite miserable, to be honest. So we're going to get up there and we're going to just walk all the way back along beach. Google Maps says it'll take about 5 hours. Obviously we're going to have little breaks, maybe a coffee, maybe a buy some vodka, who knows. But yeah, that's this plan, and hopefully I'll get a lot of great footage for you. Fucking awesome, never get over it. But yeah, hopefully that's his boat. And yeah, it's a lot nice. Or canoeing, boat taxis. But yeah, let's go. The boat were going to be about an hour and a half before we could even get on it. So we're going to walk to coast, and it turns out it's a 2-hour walk to actually get to coast. I'm alright, thank you. And so we have indeed ordered an Uber for the second time for a quarter at price. Oh man, yeah, this is what we came to Gdansk for. Fucking Uber.
Oh my god, is that a slide?
Uber works miracles. Oh, no, I don't think it's running. It need water on, otherwise it'd be like Frank off for Sunny. Right, so that's where coast starts. I'm not sure if the camera will put it into perspective, but yeah, I think we have just arrived in our second tri-city town, so we're gonna have a quick break now, because walking through wet sand is a lot harder than I originally thought. This is his first look at Sopot. way more beautiful than I imagined. To be honest, I didn't think it'd be much. What goes on under the pier stays under the pier. So we've been walking down the beach, don't know how much progress we've made, but look at this, it's like a little stream. Oh. Want me to carry it? Hold the camera out. It's so cold. Ah, fuck. That's really cold. Just seen a woman breastfeeding in public.
Good.
Good on you, woman. Good on you. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every road leads back to a place I know where I cannot go. What is wrong with
But I long
me?
to be.
Shit.
The sky just to see calls me.
So we've got to Gdynia. It's dark now, as you can see. His legs are absolutely killing. We're on his way back. We were going to get a tram, but we can't really find one and translate it. I've barely got any battery on my phone, so we are just going to order an Uber to Gdansk and then walk to his place from there, which is another half hour. So yeah, it's interesting to see how different the three cities are. So they are all really different. I'll go into why in a summary later, but just wanted to let you know we did it. We walked 500 miles and I would walk 500 more. So yeah, so well.